swift reaction, the House of Representatives has suspended indefinitely the debate on the tax reform bills earlier fixed for Tuesday, following mounting pressures from the 19 northern state governors. The planned debate was called off in a memo signed by the clerk of the House of Representatives, Dr. Yaya Danzaria, as 73 northern lawmakers kicked against the bills. Those who rejected the bills include 48 representative members from the Northeast, 24 federal lawmakers from Kano, and a former governor of Sokoto State, Senator Aminu Tambuwa, who represents Sokoto's South Senatorial District. The memo suspending the debate dated November 30th, 2024, is titled Rescheduling of Special Session on Tax Reform Bills. It reads, I am directed by the House leadership to inform all honorable members that the special session, initially scheduled for Tuesday, December 3rd, 2024, to discuss all the tax reform bills has been postponed to a later date. This rescheduling is due to the need for further and broader consultations with all relevant stakeholders. A new date and venue for the session will be communicated in due course. We regret any inconveniences this may cause and appreciate your understanding. Meanwhile, a leaked video of the closed-door session of the Green Chamber obtained by The Punch showed the Northeast lawmakers' intense debate against the tax reform bills. The footage shows the member representing Dambuwa, Gwaza, Chibok Federal Constituency, Borno State, saying, on behalf of the 48 honorable members from the ravaged Northeast sub-region, I want to first of all rely on the position of the three previous caucus leaders. In addition to this, the primary responsibility of every government is simply the welfare of its citizens. Northeast, even before the insurgency, was the poorest region in Nigeria. Today, our people have been turned into beggars. Billionaires and millionaires of yesterday have to queue up in the IDP camps to host communities to collect 10 kg bags of rice. This is why our governors are not convinced, and we are not convinced either, he noted. NaijaNews reported that on 3rd of September 2024, President Bola Tinubu transmitted 4 tax reform bills to the National Assembly for consideration following the recommendations of Taiwo Oyedele-led Presidential Committee on Fiscal and Tax Reforms. While this has generated criticisms from lawmakers and Nigerians, a lawmaker from the Northwest stated, as the representatives of the people, we have resolved to continue our consultation on the matter, adding that things degenerated almost to a point of rebellion against the Deputy Speaker, Benjamin Kalu, who presided over the executive session. According to him, what transpired during Thursday's executive session indicates that the bill may not have a smooth ride in the House. From what I can deduce, the governors of the North are not yet convinced about the argument in favor of the bills. The bills are against the interest of the North, and that is why we are saying, if you think this is not the case, give us more time to consult with our people. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates and exclusive videos.